Hi guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick video on how I do my twist outs with Microlocs. Just a little background information. I really haven't had many successful twist outs, so I'm gonna try my hand at it again. I'm about to wash and just twist my hair up for the night, and I'll take it loose tomorrow. We're just gonna see how this turns out. We're just gonna go with it. All right, so let's get started. Oh, and I wanna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using after I wash it. This is water and a little bit of like 2 or 3 drops of rosemary, a little bit of jojoba oil, and I'm gonna put a little tiny, teeny, weeny, itsy bitsy bit of leave-in conditioner on my ends. So if you guys are new here, I am planning on leaving my ends open if it is possible. If it does not happen, then that will be fine as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and say excuse me because I look busted. My lips are dry. I have bags because I'm sleep training my 6-month-old. I'm not sleeping very well, and she's nursed, so my breasts fill up very quickly in the night, and I'm just up like in pain, and I probably should pump, but I want my body to adjust to not producing as much milk at night. So that's why I look busted. I don't sleep at night basically. I want to give you guys a close-up of my hair. Here's some lint. I swear I'm gonna dedicate maybe 2 to 3 days every night for like an hour just to pick this out before it becomes a serious problem. I just wanted to show you guys that it's still soap in my hair, and that was one of the things that my loctician said could be causing the buildup or the lint that's getting caught in my hair. She said it may not be lint, it just may be shampoo residue. So I'm gonna go back and re-rinse, because if you guys look around my edges, there's still a bit of shampoo when I thought I got it all. I washed my hair twice and I washed it good. So hopefully a lot of the lint that was caught has loosened up and come out. So I'm gonna go rinse again and I'll be back. Someone asked how often do I do my braid outs or twist outs, because they were thinking that because they're newly locked, they just really didn't want to over manipulate their baby locks. And for me, I usually do a braid out every wash. That's the only time I'll do them, and I wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. When I do my braid out or my twist outs every 2 to 3 weeks, it is the only time that I apply oil. I don't apply oil any other time. I've also stopped spraying my hair every day or every other day. I would spray my hair. I really don't spray my hair that often anyways, because I think the moistness and the dampness was also contributing to a lot of lint getting caught in my hair. Now, you guys may not have this problem. Not everyone has a lint problem like I do. So I just pretty much stopped misting my hair. Right now my hair is kind of dripping, so I kind of leave it like that. What I'll do now is start sectioning my hair off and applying my jojoba oil and just twisting, and that's pretty much my whole wash routine.